What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. Today we're going to be finishing up the front radiator support. The car's all coming together literally this week and next week, so hopefully we'll be able to drive at the beginning of March. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, so today we have a fresh radiator support. I picked it up off some guy off Facebook Marketplace, so no more cracked radiator support. So the front end will not be demolished anymore, which is good. All right, guys, so I'm just doing this quick since I kind of like made a longer video about it. So we have it installed. Eric's here, he's helping me out. This is my brother, if you haven't realized it. But yeah, so we got it back installed, and I have like 2 bolts in, and it's already way more solid than what it was. So I'm really excited about that, for the front end not to be flopping around everywhere. We're on day 2 right now. I started putting the coilovers on. I kind of got interrupted yesterday, so I did 3 out of the 4. I figured I'd just show you one of the fronts. So to do the rear, there's just these 2 top nuts on the top that you do, and then this bottom nut, and then you just kind of push down on the rotor and then just pop it out. For the front, you're gonna have to take off the front sway bar or stabilizer bar. So there it is. So this bar goes from here to here. You're gonna have to pull that off so you can get 2 of these top 3 nuts right here. So once you get those off, like on this side, what you're gonna wanna do is take off that bottom nut of like the fork to the control arm. Now, what I'm doing is I'm loosening the collar on the coilover, and I'm just spinning the top side so it gets smaller, so I don't have to take off any of the suspension stuff. I forgot to mention, so when you're doing coilovers, one of the biggest things is to really never adjust your height off this ring. You want to loosen this ring, measure how big the spring is without any tension on it, and then maybe whatever that length is, you want to just shorten it by like a quarter of whatever it is, just to get enough spring tension on the coilover so it still has the stiffness and rebound that you want. And then you do all your height adjustments off this bottom portion, so that you still get like the stability and performance out of the coilover and not be bouncing everywhere. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. I got the coils on now. I did the front radiator support, as you can see. So we can move on to the better projects that like are finishing up the Z and stuff. So we're getting really close. I know it seems so far, but I swear we're getting so close. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this video, and let me know what you're doing to get ready for this next drift season. With that being said, see you guys next time.